It's springtime again, and it's time to get out the MP3 and start riding. The first thing you need to do when you get your MP3 out of storage is double check the air pressure. Now, although this is a three-wheeled scooter and is very stable, a lot of people overlook the air pressure. You can't neglect the air pressure on this just because it has 3 tires and it's more stable. You get your scooter out of storage, maybe you change the oil, maybe you charge the battery. A lot of times what I see people forget is checking the air pressure. So we're going to go ahead and air up these tires and get it ready for the first ride. The front tire pressure differs from the back. The front tires should be inflated to 33 psi. The back tires should be inflated to 41. So this scooter's been sitting for 5 months. Let's check and see what the pressure is. And it is actually right on 33 psi. So we don't need to do anything to this tire. We'll go ahead and check the other front tire. This one we're at about 29 psi. We're going to give this one a little shot of air. So these small tires just need a little shot of air. And we'll go ahead and check it. And right there we're at 31.5. So I'll give it another quick little shot. And double check. And right on 33. So go ahead and we'll move to the back tire. Back tire is a little trickier because you have the shock in the way. And if you have a big gauge like this, it's kind of hard to get into. But if you go down here towards the bottom, you got a little more room. And if we check, the back tire is only at 26 psi. So it's going to need quite a bit of air. And we'll go ahead and check it. And right there we're at 39. So I'll give it just another shot of air and double check. And as you can see right there, we're at 41 psi, exactly where it needs to be. Make sure you replace all of your valve caps. Now that your bike is out of storage and you're ready to take it maybe for a ride to warm it up to change that oil, or maybe you just want to take it around the block just to get a feel for it again. In either case, you got your tires aired up to the correct PSI, 33 in the front, 41 in the back. Enjoy riding your MP3s. Thanks for watching.